The Golden Secrets of Drawing, number 17. It doesn't matter what you draw. Truly, it doesn't matter what you draw. It is the act of drawing that takes you forward. You will often hear the phrase, or say it yourself, I don't know what to draw. Draw anything. Most of the time, your active brain is in control, humming away with logic, language, analysis, and numbers. Once you begin drawing, your imagination and the creative areas of the brain wake up and quieten the usual chatter. What a relief! Start doodling. We all have patterns that we revert to when we doodle. Once you start making marks or doodling, the creative side of the brain wakes up. When the creative side kicks in, ideas begin to flow, sometimes in a quite magical sort of way. That's because it's been quietly ticking away in the background, working out new ideas, and the act of drawing allows it to speak out. Drawing lets those ideas flow, so you'll soon know exactly what you want to draw and will be inspired to get on with it. Thanks for watching. Now go and pick up a pencil, any old pencil, and draw something. How about a suitcase? Make sure you are subscribed to the Shoe Rainer Drawing channel and keep coming back for lots more drawings and advice. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.